Main Street USA. He's got like steam models in there.
Well, that's how this truck was made.
And the got Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
1928 popcorn truck.
Cool. Magic Kingdom popcorn
Come from
truck.
Florida.
Yeah, it's a ways.
I remember it was running the last time though. He was actually using it.
That's that Reading charm.
There's a John Deere. Magic Kingdom on it.
Yeah, Magic Kingdom.
Look,
That John Deere.
He took a small John Deere tractor and made a combine out of it.
Yeah, it's neat. They done made a combine. Little racing mower. Cock shut.
The cock shit. Combine. Got the threshers.
Yeah. Old baler.
Old baler.
Or mixed crawler. Got some Red Cub Cadets.
I have 782.
That 129's for sale.
Already got one. You don't have five. I have two of the rare trucks. 159 and 800.
Backing up.
No, the 800, they only made 2,000 of them.
And we're babysitting 4 puppies that we're trying to find homes for. They're all sleeping.
What kind are they?
Beagle, Collie, Mountain Cur, Chihuahua.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Oh gosh.
No. Right?
I'll be back down.
Little puppies.
What do you want on it, Maddie? Look. Here, paint don't make a pool.
Please. Paint don't make a pool.
That's got a picture of a little boy peeing on an IH symbol.
Yeah.
That's messed up.
And then it's got
Oh, Oh, they're getting the track ready.
Yeah.
You don't have a number 1 car today.
What's that?
I said you don't have a number 1 car. There's 2 number 2s.
I wish I had a 1 and a 3.
Well, I just bought a 1 out of Indiana.
You want to buy a number 2?
I already got one.
I'm trying to sell them. I don't really use them anymore. I'd hate to see them go to waste.
Yeah. I bought the number 2 about a month ago. And then I talked to a guy out in Indiana and he had a number 1. I was like, I want a number 1.
You're going to start the collection, right?
Yeah. Well, I got a couple kids as collecting, so.
I used to have